G'day guys, it's Hutch here from Farm Owners Academy. I once heard it said, a mentor of mine once said that a business will never outgrow its owner. I remember that and it really made me stop and think, how much have I invested in my own development in the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? Most of us are investing in technical training in and around our farms, but very few of us are investing in really robust business development, business improvement, and the entrepreneurial and mindset training needed to truly take a leadership position in our farm business and take it forward. We've made 30 new places available at our upcoming 2-day Top Producers event in Canberra. If you are a growth-oriented farming family wanting to take more control, make more profit, and pursue more freedom, then this is the perfect starting point. It is an incredible program designed by Greg Johnson and Andrew Roberts. It does get significant results for farming families just like you. We'd love for you to consider this. Details are within this post, and we look forward to having you with us in Canberra and to having you starting on your journey with us in business and personal development. Thank you guys. Take care for the season, and we look forward to seeing you soon.